They should shut up.
Tufton tell Marky G and them friend them to shut up. The people them don't vote already. Focus on leading the losing party.
Focus on being an opposition. Because democracy requires an opposition in the parliament. And we don't have a problem with that. We are the government, and the government in waiting, they are the opposition. They should focus on their opposition role and let us focus on being the government, because that's what the people's wishes have confirmed.
Quite interesting is that the PNP said that they got information from social media.
Can't trust
the
that.
evidence is not sufficient to confirm the allegations, yet they brought it to a media conference.
No.
Our view is that this business of something is said on social media, and therefore that's the barometer to bring it to the platform.
That's not
for media
admissible in
conference. It's
court.
not acceptable. It's an indicator of the desperation of the PNP.
Hard
The
evidence.
General Secretary might want to contemplate that there's a lot of things being said. There are a lot
Both
of
sides.
things being said on social media,
Both sides.
including about him.